In this video, we are learning how to get an arrow to fly directly into the middle of our target. You can use this for arrows, for spells, etc. Okay, guys, let's make the arrow. So make an empty game object, call it arrow prefab. Uh, Set the position to 0, maybe move it up a bit, and then take the Longbrow arrow, put inside, put the materials on it, and then we're gonna scale down to the same as the bow. Then I will say minus 90, and let's go see. Everything looks fine, fine, fine. Okay, so let's add a script to it and call it uh, projectile. And I think this is mirrors, so we will go put an S on ours to do this, and then we will mirror head one. Yeah. Let's open that one up and let's start writing some code. So we're definitely gonna need a public transform target. So we're gonna need the target. We're also gonna need some speed on it. So let's say serialized field, float speed, could be 10. And for testing, we'll probably do 1. And I don't think we need the start method. And in the update, we can start writing a bit about what it should do. So if target is not equal to nil, then we could say that transform dot look at. So we have to look at the enemy. We could set target dot position, but we actually wants to hit him right in the guts. So let's say get aim location like that, and transform dot translate vector tree dot forward times speed times time dot delta time, like that. And then we need to make this one, let's say public vector tree like this. And then we can use the capsule collider as the target. So capsule collider, call it target capsule is equal to target dot get component capsule collider. If target capsule is equal to nothing, then we can return target transform dot position that, and else we can return target dot transform dot position plus vector tree dot up times target capsule dot height divided by 2, that. So see, so the target could be the goblin. So if we took the example NPC, it will be down here. So instead we target the goblin up here. And then we add, actually, I think we just tested out actually. So let's put in 1 client and scene, and the arrow is flying towards its target.